Reza, what do you think of your results?
Amazing, doctor. Thank you so much for everything. I appreciate that.
This is Reza. He's 60 years old and came to see us 6 months ago for a hair transplant of the crown. So I'm going to show you what the crown looked like when he came. You can see that he was quite bald. Reza, if you can turn on, please. And if you can see now, this is just after 6 months, okay? And you can see that there's a remarkable filling of the crown, which is very uniform and full. For 6 months, it's quite remarkable. And you can see the donor area, which has grown in extremely nicely, uniform. And you could never tell that he had a transplant done because of the great hair regrowth. But most importantly, the crown here is very good regrowth, especially for 6 months. One can expect that the hair regrowth will double by 1 year, and that'll be even more remarkable for Reza. Reza, what do you think of your results?
Amazing, doctor. Thank you so much for everything. I appreciate that. Yeah, it's remarkable. Thank you.
Have other people commented on it?
Well, yeah, my wife says all the time. I mean, she says you have lots of hair now. So, yeah, she's happy too. She doesn't have a bald husband anymore. So.
Doesn't have a bald husband anymore. That's good. Anybody who's thinking of a transplant, what would you say to them?
Well, for sure, I will refer them to you. I mean, 100%.